Hi guys, I hope that you're having a fabulous day. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share my latest Louis Vuitton handbag reveal. Now this might be my most ridiculous purchase to date, but I will let you guys be the judge of that. So I hope that you enjoy it. If you do, make sure and give it a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Okay, so I am going to share the backstory with you. This backstory needs to be shared, I think, for it to really make sense, because this is an item that fell in my lap. I wasn't looking for it. I didn't even know it existed. When I saw the first picture of it, I legitimately thought it was fake. Like I was like, no, I've never seen that. I've never heard of it, blah, blah, blah. This was purchased by one of my very good friends. You guys know her as my trunk lady. I've talked about her many, many times before. She purchased it for her daughter. Her daughter didn't want it. She's not a fan of it. And she called me, she's like, hey, I know you really like these types of items, so I just want to throw that out there if you wanted to buy it. And she would sell it to me for what she paid for it. I trust her, but I also get my items authenticated. It doesn't matter where I purchase my items from, even if it's from a reputable seller that I have purchased from before, it just gives me peace of mind. So I also got this item authenticated and it came back as authentic. But like when I saw pictures of it, I was like, oh, but I was stunned. I was stupefied. I was anesthetized. I was just like, I really didn't have any words. But when I actually got it in my hands, like, I don't know. Okay, like I know it's not making sense. I probably sound like a lunatic as I'm trying to explain this to you, but it just kind of blew me away. Like it's so much better in real life than what I anticipated. But this item actually came with the box, and do not mind the size of the box. This is not the size of the item at all. It came with the box. It came with the ribbon, this little guy. It came with the tag. It also came with a dust bag. It was still wrapped in plastic. This item has never been used. The only thing missing for it to be a full-on set was the receipt. Now, I have tried to do some research on this. I believe that this item was launched in 2021 or 2023. I'm not sure. There isn't a whole lot of information out there. If you guys know about it, please let me know in the comment section down below. I mean, I did like a Google Lens search or whatever, and I found some of them online, but the prices vary. But the prices that I've seen online is nowhere near what I paid, so that makes me really happy. So having said that, I don't know the original price. I don't think that I overpaid. I might have. But again, if you guys have any information on this item, please let me know. All right, so my goodness, that is probably the longest intro ever. My apologies. I know how you guys love it when I ramble. But let's get to the item, okay? Again, all right, probably a ridiculous purchase, probably, most likely, but I've said it before and I will say it again. If anybody is going to get it, it's you guys. Everyone else is going to be like, dude, you're nuts. Okay, so like I said, it came with a little dust bag. And then here's all the plastic that I peeled off. And I'll show you guys the tag in just a second. Okay, so are you ready for my newest Louis Vuitton handbag? It is, oh my gosh, it is the beautiful, hang on, let me make sure I get the name right. Okay, it is the beautiful Louis Vuitton Micro Speedy case in the gold hardware. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Look at this. Is stupid cute. Like ridiculously cute. Like I said, when I first saw pictures, I was like, what the hell is that? Like, I've never seen it. Blah, blah, blah. Is it a paperweight? Like, that's like legitimately what I thought it was, that it was a paperweight. No, this is a little crossbody Louis Vuitton Micro Speedy, because here is the crossbody chain that it comes with, okay? The chain is not adjustable. Of course, it is removable. And it also has this little lock. Look at this. The lock has the LV logo, and then on the bottom it says made in Italy. It also has the SKU code and all that other good stuff. But like It is like essentially a crossbody case. I look like an idiot. I look like a full-blown hairy Yeti trying to pull this off as a crossbody bag. It looks ridiculous because I like completely overwhelmed the bag. Like I could not pull this off to save my life as a crossbody bag or as a crossbody accessory and try to make it look cute. No, it would look idiotic for me to wear it that way. But I mean, this to me is not going to be an item that I'm going to use like as a crossbody bag. I'm not going to use it as a bag charm. This has full on become a decoration piece for me. Okay, but let me share the details and you know, give you guys a really nice or give you guys a handbag tour. Okay, so the attention to detail on this item is insane. It has my fingerprints on there, so please excuse that. But it is all in the gold hardware. As you can see, you have the LV logos on the front, and then on the back side, you even have the stitching detail on the little tabs there. And it has a little tab, look at like a little zipper pull, and the tab has stitches as well, and it has the little hole there where you would normally put like a lock for like an actual Louis Vuitton Speedy. So you have that, or not a lock, but you know what I mean. You have that little hole right there. The handles, they move. They're not stationary. Like I know that my voice is getting super high pitched. My apologies, but I just like this makes me so ridiculously happy. It's so cute. But look at the handles. They are little working handles, and the little clasp on one side here and then on the other. How cute is that? Ah, I love it. Look at this. I absolutely love it. It has a magnetic closure, but look at the little stitching here. Hopefully the camera's picking it up. The stitching that you have along the top, just like a Speedy, and it opens up like so. And in here you have a mirror. I have not taken off the little sticker, but you have a mirror. It does have the LV logo right down there at the bottom. And then on the other side, you just have an open compartment. And in here, I mean, if you wanted to, you could fit maybe like a case of Tic Tacs, all right? Maybe like a house key, an actual house key. Could you fit AirPods in here? No. Well, maybe by themselves. Could you fit a key fob? No. I mean, this is so stinking cute. Like, look at this. Look at the little zipper pull. I thought it would be so cool if like the zipper pull like moved around, but that's a little too much. But look at this. This is stupid cute. And seeing as how I'm such a fan of the Speedy, I was like, I gotta get it, right? I gotta get it because it literally came out of left field. Like it was just a random Tuesday. And I get the phone call, and then, you know, we're talking about it. She sends me pictures. I was like, my jaw literally dropped. I'm like, what? Like, I've never seen that before. Have you guys seen this? If you have, let me know in the comment section down below. Do you have this? Let me know in the comment section down below. But I just absolutely love the attention to detail that this has. Now, it is quite heavy. I did weigh it. It comes in, just the bag alone, is 8.5 ounces. Okay, so can you imagine putting that as a crossbody bag? This thing is like a little brick in its own, or on its own. And then when you add the chain, it adds another 2 ounces. So altogether, this is 10.5 ounces. Like that is ridiculous, right? Absolutely ridiculous. But let me show you guys the SKU card there. So as I mentioned previously, I don't know if it was released in 2021 or 2023. Please let me know if you guys have any info on it, because I'd be really curious I'm really curious to know if I overpaid for it, honestly. But like I said, it makes me just so happy. As far as the measurements go, it is, hang on, it is it is 2.5 inches in length, okay? 2.5 inches. Hang on. Let me do it like this. 2.5 inches. I'm not very good at this. Hang on. I don't have my tape measure, but You guys get it. 2.5 inches, and it is 1.5, no, 1 and almost, no, idiot, 1.5 inches in depth. Okay, and just to give you a size reference, I wanted to bring out my micro speedy, my little bag charm that you guys have seen a million times, just to give you an idea for the size reference. Okay, there we go. There we go. Like, dude, I thought this was teeny tiny. No, this is 10 times, well, not 10 times, but it's like half the size. It's half the size, and I think this is beyond adorable, beyond cute, but I think this is in a league of its own, in my opinion. I don't know, but what do we think? I would have been crazy to pass on it, right? I think that if I would have said, you know what, no, I would have been kicking myself if I didn't snag it, especially since I paid what she paid for it. She's like, I just want to get my money back. So I was excited about that. But I even told her, I'm like, are you serious? She's all, no, it serves no, she's very, like, if it has no purpose, like, it has to be a functional handbag for her. And she's like, I think they're cute, but they're really not for me. And the fact that her daughter didn't want it, she bought it for her. And she's like, yeah, Mom, it's not my thing either. I'm like, oh my God, like, me, you know, I will totally take it. So I was stoked. I was like, dude, thank you so much for thinking of me. You know how I love these cutesy micro mini things. She's like, I know, you were the first person I thought of. So I just thought I'd pass it along to you. And honestly, I couldn't be happier, but look at this. Oh, look at that. I think this is so cute. What do we think? Is this a ridiculous purchase? Probably. Does this make sense? Probably not. But does it make me happy? 1,000%. And that to me makes it worth it, you know? But let me show you guys what it looks like. I'm not going to put it on because no, like, I don't want that image on the internet forever. But I love that it has the little, and another thing that I really like is that it sets the handles rest. Hang on. The handles rest on these little, this part of the tab here, because I thought, oh man, the handles are totally going to scratch the bag, but that is not the case. It rests on there so you don't have to worry about it. The only thing is that of course it shows a lot of fingerprints and stuff like that. So I'm like, I have to clean it, but look at this. Let me show you the full look. Let me show you the bag in the bag in all of its glory. Look at this. So cute. So cute. When I put it on crossbody, it is a little short and it lands, like I said, it looks stupid. It looks so stupid because I've seen the Speedy necklace, but I've never seen the micro Speedy case crossbody bag or whatever. You know, this is totally a novelty item. This is not, I mean, I really don't think that it's intended to be an actual crossbody bag just because it's so freaking heavy. I just think it's one of those cutesy accessory items that maybe you have on your shelf or whatever. So I don't know. I couldn't wait to share this with you guys because, like, it kind of blew me away. And look at, you even have on the, you know how the Speedies have the varnish that meets on the inside of the handle? It has the same thing there. So just the attention to detail on this little thing it's insane. It's absolutely insane. I brought these guys out just so we can try it out, see if anything fits in here. So, like I said, you have a mirror on one side. I have these little pill lipsticks. I have two, actually I have a few of them, but they fit in there. I'm able to close it up, no problem. I'd be able to probably fit 2 more, so a total of 4. All right. Okay. I have this little mini lipstick from Gucci. All right. I'm able to fit it in there. All right. All right. I have this little mini perfume. That fits in there. Ah. Okay, and then these little guys, these little sample perfumes. So if you wanted to fit a few in there, you definitely could. Definitely. So let's see, can I fit a full-size lipstick? You know me, I always like to try different things. Okay, so I have 3 little mini lipsticks in there. and I'm able to close it up. Obviously, I'm not going to use it that way, but it's nice to know that I can fit something in here, hang on, if I wanted to. So you can see it's not like too deep, but it's deep enough. It is deep enough. And one more thing I wanted to show you on that same tab where I told you that the handles rest, that part there, it has Louis Vuitton engraved on there. So the engraving on this just, it's, it knocked my socks off 100%. It 100% knocked my socks off. Can you imagine if they did a never full like this? Like, are there more out there? Are there other bags besides the Speedy? Are there Almas? Are there Noes? Like, I want to, like, I need to know. I need to know more deets on it because it's cute. It's cute. Like, I wish Louis Vuitton did more of those things, like every year, you know, or bi-yearly with certain launches or whatever, just because I like the cutesy stuff. And I feel like they used to do that a lot in like the early 2000s, in the 1990s. So I was really surprised to know that this is from either 2021 or 2023. I don't know. But like, I wish they would do more of these things because I am all about them. What about you guys? Are you all about stuff like this? Let me know in the comment section down below. Or do you prefer just to buy a bag that actually has a use besides it making you happy, something that is functional? Let me know in the comment section down below as well. I know that I am talking your ear off. I wanted it to be a really quick unboxing. I did not anticipate it being this long, but I just wanted to, you know, share the details and all that other good stuff. But what do we think? Was it a must buy, or was it something that you think I should have passed on? Let me know in the comment section down below. But I love you guys to the moon and back. If you enjoyed this video, make sure and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already and would like to, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And as always, make it a fabulous day or not, the choice is yours. Have a great day.